Okay, so let's go through this question. So this man can row at a speed of 6 km per hour in still water. He rowed 12 km upstream and back again in 6 hours 12 minutes. Let the speed of the current be x km per hour. Write down the speed of the boat upstream in terms of x. So first thing, if you travel in this direction, right, let's call this upstream. So this upstream is actually going against the current. So the current is x kilometer per hour. Since you're going upstream, right, at a speed of maybe 6 kilometer per hour, so what is the speed of the boat upstream in terms of x? You simply just use, for part A, you simply just use 6 minus away x. That is the speed of the boat going upstream. Because the current is going against you. So you are traveling at 6 km per hour. However, the current is going against you. So you must use 6 minus x kilometer per hour. Okay, the next part will be write down the speed downstream. Okay, so for downstream wise, you are going with the current. So this is the speed, 6 km per hour. The current is also in the same direction, x kilometer per hour. So the speed of this boat is actually 6 plus x bracket kilometer per hour. So you should travel faster because you are going with the current. Part C, form an equation in x and show that it can be reduced to the thing, right? Okay, so for these are very simple, same thing. You row 12 km upstream and back again. So you travel a total distance of 24 km. So the total distance, because you travel upstream is 12, right? Travel downstream is 12. So the total distance is equal to 24 km per hour. Okay. Then next part, they say that I travel in a total time of 6 hours 12 minutes. So let's see how we do. Okay, why not? Okay, so I shouldn't calculate the 12. I shouldn't calculate the total distance. I should calculate just the upstream. So for the upstream wise, I travel 12 km. So of course, I also travel at 6 minus x kilometer per hour. So this thing is the time I traveled upstream. Okay, next will be downstream. Right? Okay, downstream, I also travel 12 km. I divide by the speed because I want to find what is the time. So total distance divided by the speed will give me the total time. So what I'll get is 6 plus x. This will be the in terms of hour time traveled downstream. The next thing they tell us is that I took a total time of 6 hours 12 minutes. So okay, next I just add up. So 12 over 6 minus x plus 12 over 6 plus x. So this will give me a total time of 6 hours 12 minutes. But you must convert the 12 minutes to hour first. So 12 divided by 60 is about 1 over 5. So the thing will be 1 over 5 hours. Okay, so let's see whether I can reduce the whole thing to the 31x squared minus 396 equal to 0. First, I always want to make the same denominator. So what I want to do is this, right? So 12 bracket 6 plus x bracket over 6 minus x 6 plus x bracket plus 12 6 minus x over 6 minus x 6 plus x. So this will give you 615, right? Or 31 over 5 hours. After that, I add up, I combine the so-called the fraction, right, on the left hand side. So what I get is 6 minus x 6 plus x. The top part, you simply just put like this. 12 6 plus x plus 12 6 minus x bracket is equal to 31 over 5. Okay, Next, you just need to expand. So expand. 12 also expand here. Okay, so 12 times 6 is about 72. So 72 plus 12x plus 72 minus 12x. So this thing and this thing is gone because they cancel each other, right? So next part will be 6 minus x, 6 plus x bracket is equal to 31 over 5. After that, okay, let's do a bit of simplification first. 72 plus 72, 144. Over, so the bottom, maybe we can expand also. So let's do the expansion. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times x, 6x. Negative x times 6 minus 6x. Last but not least, this one is negative x squared. So it's 31 over 5. Okay, let's continue to manipulate. Okay, if you look at the denominator here, it's cancelled already, right? So I just put like that. 144 over 36 minus x squared. So I'll get 31 over 5. After that, cross. This one, you do the cross multiplication. So first and second. So let's do the up cross first. So 31 times 36. So this will give you 1116 minus 31x squared is equal to 144 times 5, right? 720. Then you move the 720 to the left hand side. 1116 minus 720. So it's equal to 0, right? Negative 31x squared. So 1116 minus 720. So this will give you plus 396 equal to 0. The next thing you need to do is to multiply negative 1 throughout. So you do that, right? What you'll get is here. So times negative 1 times negative 1. So the last part will be 31x squared minus 396 is equal to 0. So this one shown already. Okay, so for part D, same idea. When we are asked to solve the equation, I just simply use the quadratic formula. So negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So for this, right, you realize that there's only two terms. There's an x squared term and a constant term, right? I don't have the x term, meaning that there's no b term. So what I will have is a is equal to 31, c is equal to negative 396, b is equal to 0. Okay, so I just sub in. So this is 0 plus minus square root b squared minus 4 a c divide by 2a, right? So 2 times 31 is 62. Let's continue on. So it's plus minus square root okay, so it's about 49104 divided by 62. Let's see what I get. 510 divided by 62. Yeah, so it's not a very nice number. So plus minus 3.57. So this will be my my x, right? But however, the x is in terms of speed, meaning that I can only have positive, right? So it's 3.57. X is equal to 3.57 kilometer per hour. So I must reject the negative because there's no such thing called negative speed, right? Okay, the last part, hence write down the speed of the current. Yeah, okay. I mean, yeah, so this is the speed of the current. So for part E is 3.57 kilometer per hour. So that is how we solve this question.